how to create a custom color palette in PowerPoint. So I have here this image. I want to extract some colors from this image. I want to grab some colors from this image. So what I have to do is I'm just gonna grab some rectangles here, and it's a good practice to actually enable snap object to grid and display grid on screen. This one's here. Now I have this image here, and create this rectangle, kind of like a cube. Not bad, like this. And now hold Control to create a copy. Exactly like this. And now I have this image and the shapes, this cubes. And now what I have to do is, you have here this which will grab the color, but I just have to, for me to delete this. And now, well, there's two actually options. You have here shape fill, and you should see this eyedropper. Now you can just grab the color from here like this, and make sure you select this, by the way. And now you have this image, you have this color. Let's go for the next one, eyedropper. And to save more time, just right click on this and add to quick access toolbar, which you have here. You can add this here, which is nice. Save you more times here. Now this image, this one here, grab this color from here, and you can create a very nice color palette. Very, very easy. Now for this one, you can go to fill here, and here in you have colors and more fill colors, and here you should see the X, which is the color. And inside this cube, now you can add this one here, and now you have the code, the hex for this color. And that's how you grab color palette in PowerPoint. I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe for more.